Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing practical geometry or constructions as we generally call. In earlier classes, you have constructed, you have seen how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a segment or a angle bisector of angle. Here we are trying to study quadrilateral. Okay, so let us see what is quadrilateral first and what are its parameters. So this is the quadrilateral. It has four sides S1, S2, S3, S4, four angles A1, A2, A3, A4, and two diagonals D1 and D2. These are the 10 parameters of quadrilateral. Okay, so now go through a comment here. At least 5 out of 10 parameters are needed to construct a unique quadrilateral. You need to have 5 parameters to construct a quadrilateral. What is unique? Unique means only one can be drawn. If you try to draw another one, that will be overlapped on that. Okay, that is unique. We will come to know exact meaning of this as we proceed further. For the time being, you go through this comment. Though not any five will help us to draw a unique quadrilateral. Not that any five are given. Okay, so we will study what does this sentence means. That is, if more than one quadrilateral is possible having same measurements. So let us see an example to clear this. Okay, then you will come to know what is this about. Okay, so we see an example. Here are they. Go to this comment. If any of the following five parameters are given, we can construct a unique quadrilateral. Okay, first one, when four sides and one diagonals are given. You have seen this. Two diagonals and three sides are given. Okay, third one, two adjacent sides and three angles are given, not any sides, so adjacent sides. Okay, and three angles are given. Fourth one, when three sides and two included angles are given, that means not inside, we will see all of them in details. And the fifth one is when other special properties are known. Okay, so in this case we will try to draw all this. Okay, one by one, but remember one comment here, always draw a rough sketch to make a construction easy. Let us study one by one, and before that let us study the rules, general rules which we must follow for the construction purpose. Okay, so we move over towards the rules. Okay, general rules for drawing construction in geometry. These are general rules. You can have some of yours also. First one, use sharp HB bold pencils. Second one, keep 3 to 4 pencils ready only for construction. For other work like rough work, use another pencils. That is a small tip given here. Don't waste time in sharpening during exam. That is, you are wasting your time. Carry sharpened pencil from home. Okay. Third one, use different pencils for compass and freehand drawing. Okay. So don't take out compass pencil. Use another pencil for drawing a line and point. Fourth one, take exact measurements as shown in the video. Okay, there is no approximations. There are few more rules. You'll go through it. These are very useful. Don't buy head them, but you try to use these. Okay. Fifth one, take measurements as shown on line marks and not directly by scale to avoid errors. Okay. Sixth one, draw line segments only once and don't redraw. Here is a important comment. marked in red. Draw beyond mark point. Okay. All this is shown in video. Even you will see this point in video. Okay. I have followed all these rules in my video. We are not supposed to break any rule. Okay. The rules which are made by us for the construction are okay, but there are some such rules which we cannot break. Okay. So this one is single point and curves to be drawn only once. Okay. This is not by the mathematicians. While joining two points, check by keeping pencil pointers on the marks. Okay, to make sure that line segment covers the point and then draw, shown in video. Okay, this is very important again. Don't erase. Okay, ninth one is don't erase any point or extra segment or marks. Okay, from the point of view of construction, this is very important. Okay, you must keep them to show to the examiner. Okay, watch this video. So if a mark is there, you see this, you are not supposed to erase anything. Okay, so we will watch the video, and still if you face a difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I will solve it. Okay, so after going through these rules, see how which pencils you need. These are some bold pencils. See, I cannot take any names. See how sharp it is. See that you are not tearing the paper. Pencil should be that this sharp, and see how should be attached to compass. Use separate pencil for compass. See, and it is also pointed. Use, see, this is how you should arrange for this, and see how you should mark. See how I am marking it. See, this is a line. Okay, see, I have taken a close up of this, and see how you can see even still close up. 0 means 0. Okay, 0, exact 0. Now this is 3.4. Okay, see, it's just before 3.5. Okay, so take that care, then your construction will be thorough. Okay, and see how curves or marks you should make. See, this is one only single mark. Okay, should not overwrite it or redraw it. Okay, only single mark. That's why you need bold sharp pencils. Okay, and a single point. Okay, I told you keep some pencils ready. See, even if you have to do like this, take it like that. Okay, and another one, this is showing. So after some practice you can achieve this. This is that. And when joining, join, see, I'm joining not only 2 points but beyond this. That is very important in construction. Okay, so see, these are the points. Keep pencils on this so that your line will pass through these points and should pass the points on this side and other side always, and do not rub all this. Okay, all these marks and points and everything is a part of construction, so you are not supposed to rub or erase anything. Okay, that is very important. Okay, you will come across some many important tips in the following videos as we proceed further. Okay, so we proceed. Now we will see how angles are to be taken. See, this is a straight line. See, this very carefully we have to take. It's a very important aspect of the construction, geometrical construction. See, I have taken a close up. See how protractor has to be kept. See, this is the point. See, it is exactly lying on this, and that line, no, it is still not there. See, no, this is there. No, you have to take it lead. Now it is here. Yes, that is the point is on this point. Point matches, and this is exactly, this is 90. Okay. Now I am taking 60. So from this side, this is 60. I am also taking 61. See, okay. Now let us take 101. If I want to take from this side, see, taking 101. So that exactness should be there. Okay. Now I am taking 114. So I'm just taking where it is 110 and 4 units away from this. Just see. So this is the level of accuracy you have to achieve. Okay, see, this is 110 and this is 114. Okay, you can even check by expanding the screen and study how to take it. See, I have written 90 there. Now joining these 2 points, they should be joined correctly. See, this I've seen that this point lies on the line. Yes, that is 61. Now I will join some other point to this 90. Okay, this and this 90 I am joining. Okay, so this is 90. So you have to specify what you have joined. This is 90 and this is 61. Okay, so try to study this and use this in your construction. Okay, and the last one or the fifth one, read this: when other special properties are known. Okay, in this you will be asked to draw or construct a rectangle or square or parallelogram or kite or rhombus, whatever the case may be. You have to use its properties and then you have to construct the said figure. Okay, so we are drawing some of them here. First one, construct a rectangle with the adjacent sides of length equal to 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Okay, let us name this as coin. Okay, so with this we move ahead for the actual construction and see how this is to be constructed. Okay, so construct a rectangle. Now I am copying from the slide. You will be copying from the question paper, the answer sheet. Okay, so read it. Construct a rectangle with the adjacent sides 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Okay, in length. Got it? So I am going slowly because this is very important point. This is 5, this is 4 adjacent sides, and now the rough sketch. And rough sketch of what? Rectangle. Okay, so draw this rectangle. Okay, and 2 sides are given. So this is 5, this is 4. Okay, now give some names so that it will be very easy for you to understand and discuss. So COIN, these are the names given to all the vertices. And now the properties of rectangle. This is opposite side is 5, this is 4, again opposite side, this is 90, all angles are 90. Okay, these are the properties of rectangle, so that you it will be useful when drawing with this. Even though only 2 sides are given, they have not given only 2 parameters, but by calling it you draw a rectangle, they have given you 8 parameters. Okay, so draw this line, and this is ni. Draw 0 and 5, and 0, we draw this leaving some line on the left hand side and some line on the right hand side. There is a very important point. You will come to know why it should be done like this. We have seen this in earlier videos. See, now you will, this will be 90, so I am taking 90. So for this purpose you need that line on the left hand side, because you also see that it matches with the line of the protector, and 90, that point also matches. Even here the line, this point and line on the both the sides must the same as on the projector, and mark this 90. So these points when join, that I and that point, okay, this line will be 90 degree to ni, okay, this will be inclined to 90 degree, and even this line will be 90 degree to ni. So your C and O lies on these points, okay, at a distance of 4 centimeters from N and I respectively. Okay, so mark this 4 and 5. See, mark 0 first, and then 4 and 5. Actually, you don't want 5, but you still mark it because there is some calculations left on that 5. Okay, we will see. And now we will locate the positions of C and O. Okay, this is 4. So C is 4 centimeters from N, so keep it on N, and draw an arc, and from I draw an arc. Okay, these are the points where C and O, join them. Confirm that both these points when joined will be on the line. So I'm just confirming it like this, and then join. Okay, and label them according to the given in the rough sketch, C, O and IN. Okay, so this is 4, we know this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 90 because we have seen this, and this is 90. We have actually drawn the construction on with the help of these angles. And see that compass without pencil which we are using, this is how we have to use it, just to check whether your distance or length is correct or not. This is 5 centimeters checked, so I am writing it 5 because we have drawn it by construction and not marked it by a ruler. Now the protector is 9, O has to be 90, and I am checking that this, if this is 90 and C is 90, then your construction is correct, and it is 90. You can see that, even you can zoom and see. Okay, that is 90. See this parallax, see the point which is matching, that is 90. Even this is 90. The construction, if you are drawn it keeping all the rules in mind, then you can never go wrong like this. Okay, so now you can mention that is 90, it has to be 90. Okay, and even this is 90. Okay, so got it. Now I will label them, that's 90. Now unit points. Okay, so all the lengths are in centimeters, 5 and 4. Okay, and angles, all the 4 angles are in degree radians. Okay, now answer that this is rectangle COIN. We have named them, but you have to still comment. Okay, COIN, this is that, and this. Okay, and the second one, under this special properties, construct a kite EASY where AY is equal to 4 centimeters, EY is equal to 3 centimeters, SY is equal to 5 centimeters. Which property of kite will you be using in this process? Refer the adjacent figure. Okay, so this figure is given. EASY, EY is 3 given here, AY is 4 given here, and SY is 5 also given. Okay, so we will copy this on the paper sheet and then discuss about the construction. Okay, copy down the given data on the paper sheet where you will draw a construction. I'm reading it. Construct a kite EASY. Okay, where see they have given 3 sides length. AY is equal to 4 centimeters, EY is equal to 3 centimeters, and SY is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, and we are asked to refer the rough sketch. So we will see, we'll redraw it here and check what are the distances. See, this is a kite. We are drawing a kite. So this is one side and these are the longer sides. Okay, and join these, the diagonals, and now a name. Actually we are given all this, we are just copying it, EASY. Now you know AY is 4 centimeters, that is the smaller diagonal is 4 centimeters. Okay, EY, the one side is 3, and SY, the another side is 5. Okay, now he has asked, or there is a part of the question asked in writing, that which property of kite you will be using to draw this or to construct this kite. Okay, so see what is given, which property of kite are you going to use in this construction. As he has asked a question, you have to answer this question in writing only. Okay, so you have to write that the property I am good, that means he wants to know that with you know the property. Okay, and not just drawing it arbitrarily. So see the comment there, the properties we will be using are, okay, there are more than one property. So first we will see, that is the diagonals intersect. Remember, intersect, not bisect as in case of square or rectangle or rhombus. Okay, remember, intersect at a right angle. Okay, even in rhombus they intersect at right angle, but they bisect at right angle. Okay, here they intersect because only one gets bisected. We are writing that only, that larger diagonal bisects, remember this word, bisects the smaller one, that is AY is bisected by the another diagonal. That is the second property we are using, because the bigger diamond or the larger one doesn't get bisected. Okay, so this is 2 and this is 2. Okay, so these are the properties you are using. And the third property of this is now that AE or EA is equal to EY. Okay, that those two segments or those two lines are called AE is equal to EY, and AS or SA is equal to SY. This is the third property we are using. We will be using this. Okay, so starting with this AY. Okay, that we start with the diagonal. It's very easy because as the next diagonal is perpendicular, and that is a perpendicular bisector. So now you must have guessed it, that after drawing this we will be drawing a perpendicular bisector. Okay, where on this perpendicular bisector that another diagonal will lie. Okay, so this is 0, this is 4, that is we have drawn AY. Okay, remember, go step by step. Now if you draw perpendicular bisector to this, then that will be another diagonal. So in this case we have to draw the diagonals first. Okay, so take a distance more than half. So here I will suggest you that take not only more than half but very near to the other end of the line. Okay, and draw these arcs so that when they meet you get a point or 2 points, one above, one below this line, joining these 2 points, the line which will be perpendicular bisector. You know this construction. Okay, why more than half or very near to A is because you have to draw two more arcs. Okay, intersection of the sides, and that should not clash with the other arcs. Okay, so I am taking 0 there. You will come to know this is 3 and this is 5. Okay, so you will come to know what I was talking about. I will come to the point. Okay, so this is 3 and 5 you need, and now EY is 3 and A is 3. So write it there because we have written this there, that two lines, the adjacent sides above the shorter diagonal and below are congruent. In this case AE is congruent to EY, which is equal to 3. Okay, so see, I am taking from A and marking on this. Okay, now you came to know why I was talking about arc very near to A. Yes. Okay, now remember this, don't take that. Yes, you have to remember this. If you get confused, then see that this EY is 3. So while joining, see that you are taking 3 centimeters. Okay, so while see this is 3, so there should not be any confusion, there should not be any mistake. You can use your knowledge for this. See, I am joining this and join this. Okay, because in this type of construction you cannot erase anything. Okay, so you have to keep that arcs, both the arcs or the marks as they are. Okay, now this is 3, this is 3. Now this is perpendicular. Yes, denoting that is perpendicular. And now see, you have to draw 5, that S, which is 5 centimeters from A and 5 centimeters from Y. Okay, so I'm taking that, and here also you have to take the same care that there will be two arcs, one is already there. Okay, and another you are now drawing. So while joining this for S, see that you are taking the right point. Okay, see, this is the has to be on the, that intersection point has to be on the diagonal or on the line, that line. Okay, see, you are not supposed to take this, you are supposed to take this one. Okay, so I'm joining that. You can see I am taking 5 centimeters. That means confirming that I am joining the right point, and this is not to be joined. Okay, see, and checking that, confirming that both the points are lying on the line. And okay, see these 2 points, don't erase anything, don't rub out anything, because all these, if you rub out, then he may cut your marks, examiner may cut your marks. Okay, so join this, and that is yes, so that is a speciality of construction, that you are not supposed to erase anything. You should know that you have drawn it by the way you are supposed to draw, okay, or construct. See, I am naming this is 2, this is 2, okay, that is given there, and this is 5. Now the unit point, okay, all the measurements are in centimeters, okay. Here there are no angles specified, you need not write that, okay, but about units you have to always write. And answer is, you are supposed to draw a kite, EASY, so you mention that this is a kite, okay, EASY, that's it, okay. And third one, parallelogram. We are asked to construct a parallelogram. So we will see the properties of parallelogram, because we will be using these properties in actual construction. This is some parallelogram PQRS, where opposite sides are parallel and equal, here, and even here. Okay. Opposite angles are congruent. This is congruent to this, and this is congruent to this. And some of the angles of adjacent side, or some of the adjacent angles is 180. So you are very much acquainted with the properties of the parallelogram, and we will be using this in this construction, where we are asked to construct a parallelogram OKAY, where OK is equal to 5.5 centimeters and K is equal to 4.2 centimeters. We will copy this on the paper and draw a rough sketch and see and discuss this construction there, okay. So construct a parallelogram. I'm just copying down the statement given in the slide or in the question paper, as you will be taking it from the question paper. Construct a parallelogram OKAY, where OK is equal to 5.5 centimeters and KA is equal to 4.2 centimeters, okay. So we will draw a rough sketch and see which are these segments given, which are the measurements which are given. Now draw the parallelogram. So I am drawing a parallelogram, okay, joining this and naming the vertices, what we call as labeling the vertices, okay, OKAY. So OK, now this diagonals may be of use in drawing a parallelogram. 5.5 and this is 4.2, okay. Now by the properties of parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal or congruent. This is 5.5 and that is 4.2. Now start with the YA as base. So take that as 5.5, draw a line and see, this is line, and draw 5.5 and label left vertex as Y and a right one as A, okay. Let's try to draw similar to the rough sketch so that you don't get confused. Now this is 5.5, okay. Now this AK, so we want the distance 4.2 centimeters, because K is at a distance of 4.2 centimeters from A, and similar case with O is from Y. So let's take both these distances. 5.5 you may need, you may not need, but still you must have, okay. Now I am taking angle as 100 because author has not given any angle, so I am taking angle from my own. This is 100, this is marking it, okay, and from this side it will be 80. I know the property that the addition will be 180. So I'm taking, if I am taking 100 there, then it will be 80 on this side. So I'm joining these two points so that I can locate or determine the positions of O and K, which are at a distance of 4.2 centimeters from Y and A respectively. Okay, so joining these two, before that confirming whether both the points are lying on the line. So taking 4.2. Okay, now from Y, marking or drawing a arc. Yes, these are the 2 points O and K. We have to join these 2 points or this line and label both these points. Okay, so I'm just confirming and drawing it. Take your own time. Okay, because I told you almost 4 or 5 times that you are not supposed to erase or rub anything. Okay, so this is 100, that angle is 80, O and K. Okay, now distances, this is 4.2, this is also 4.2, and this is 4.2. Okay, I'm writing it here down. So this is one parallelogram where distance or the I'm drawing another parallelogram with the angle 120. Okay, on this side it will be 60 because 120 plus 60 is 180. So this is 60. Okay, now joining these 2 points with A and Y as joined earlier. Okay, because on these two lines O and K lies, as we have seen earlier, from the base points Y and A respectively. So same distance we have taken it, we just confirming, yes, and then marking on the new lines. Okay, this is K I am marking, and another is O from this. Okay, and now join these 2 points as we have done earlier. Yes, now you must have got some idea about the construction. Okay, I'm joining it, confirming it. Yes, now label these vertices O and K, and these distances are 4.2 and 4.2. Now the angles. Okay, this is that. Okay, now the angles, as we have seen, this is 120, we have taken is 120. See from where it is. Okay, and hence this is, see, this, just see. Okay, this is 60. Okay, and now go to the very important comment. Okay, she has not specified angle, so I have taken 2 angles which I like. So insufficient data, hence unique parallelogram cannot be drawn with the given data. So like that you can draw infinite numbers of parallelograms, but for our purpose that you cannot draw unique, 2 are sufficient. Okay, if this appears in your exam, okay, write this comment. Okay, so we go ahead. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you face any difficulty in the topic of construction, write to me in the comment section and I shall solve it. Thanking you. Good luck.